Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I will show you how to enable the remote desktop services on your Windows so that you can use the remote desktop connection. By default, Windows blocks the services of remote desktop. So we need to enable the service of remote desktop. For that, go to System Advanced Options. Okay, I will show you two ways to go to the System Advanced option. Go to File Explorer. Okay, then you will see the blank area. Click on properties option. Okay, now you will see the options like this. So you need to click on this option, advanced options. Okay, okay, now you can see the option remote. This is the last option you have. You need to tick this option, allow remote connection to this computer. Also untick this option like this, hit apply, then click on OK. Okay, by default it is on don't. In the second method, it is shortcut type sysdm.cpl. This is one for advanced user who want to learn something more. Then you will see remote and also choose the same the option. By default, Windows is tick this option, but you need to tick this option, allow, click on OK, then also untick this option, click on apply, click on OK. Now you are going to start the services remote desktop and you are able to access the other computer. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.